Do you think our workforce right now is prepared for this new wave of technology that is coming?
The government is very active in terms of trying to prepare our workforce to respond to the needs of the industry and to be able to see the future.
Mm.
Because there is such thing as a labor market information. One of the efforts of government is to provide information to our students. We are in the age of digitalization, so definitely AI and the use of technology would be the need in the future. In fact, there are a number of professions that might lost its meaning in the near future,
Mm.
except for those professions that will need critical thinking, analysis, and feeling. Then it would not be easy to replace that with robots. But the non so critical and routinary work might be replaced by machines.